I'm California personal injury lawyer Patrick Steinfeld here with another edition of Ask a Lawyer 411. A 57-year-old Dennis Wayne Williams of Carlsbad has died in a motorcycle accident. Williams was riding on Highland Valley Road in Ramona around 12:40 Sunday afternoon when a Honda Civic collided with a Toyota Prius and then struck Williams head-on. Williams was taken to the Romona Fire station but died before a medical helicopter could arrive. My thoughts and prayers are with the Williams family during this difficult time. If you have any information about this accident, please call the California Highway Patrol at area code 760-575-1675. If you have any thoughts about this accident or memories of Mr. Williams that you would like to share, please leave them in our comments section below. I'm Patrick Steinfeld for Ask a Lawyer 411.